Have you ever considered holding off on a smartphone purchase because something even better might be around the corner? Samsung could be offering just that with the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Slim, a potential game changer in their 2025 lineup. But here's a twist: it might not arrive when you expect. The Galaxy S25 series is scheduled to be unveiled on January 22, 2025, with models like the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra ready to steal the spotlight. But there's one model you might want to keep an eye on: the Galaxy S25 Slim. While Samsung is focusing on the flagship models for now, rumors suggest that the S25 Slim may not make its debut until later in 2025, possibly as late as May. This raises an important question: should you wait for it or settle for the regular Galaxy S25 now? If the rumors are anything to go by, the Galaxy S25 Slim could offer more than its counterparts. This variant is believed to feature enhanced camera capabilities, something that could seriously appeal to those who prioritize mobile photography. Samsung has a history of pushing the envelope in smartphone camera technology, and it's expected that the S25 Slim will take this to new heights, potentially outshining the standard Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus in this area. Imagine being able to capture sharper, more vibrant photos with advanced features. Definitely a feature worth considering if photography is your thing. But the question remains: is the S25 Slim worth the wait? Samsung has been pretty tight-lipped about the release timeline, so if you're already thinking about upgrading to the Galaxy S25, it might be worth delaying your purchase for a couple of months. The potential for a more premium experience with the S25 Slim could make it the ideal option for those who want the best of the best. Still, we won't know for sure until more details surface after the official Unpacked event. One thing to keep in mind is Samsung's tendency to surprise its customers with unexpected releases. We've seen this before with the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, which was exclusive to South Korea and left some buyers frustrated. Many are hoping the Galaxy S25 Slim won't suffer the same fate, being released in select markets and leaving international buyers in the dark. Samsung is expected to be more transparent this time, but we'll have to wait and see how things unfold. While the Galaxy S25 Slim's release is still shrouded in mystery, there's no denying that the Galaxy S25 series is already generating a lot of excitement. Samsung is even accepting reservations for the Galaxy S25 models, offering some lucky participants the chance to win 5,000 United States dollars in Samsung Store credit just for reserving a device. This kind of early promotion shows how much anticipation there is surrounding this release, whether or not you're planning to wait for the Slim version. With so many compelling options in the lineup, it's clear that Samsung's 2025 phones will be a major talking point in the smartphone world. But will the Galaxy S25 Slim live up to the hype? Or is the regular Galaxy S25 enough to satisfy your needs? We can't say for sure yet, but as always, it's exciting to speculate and discuss all the possibilities. So, what do you think? Are you willing to hold off for the Galaxy S25 Slim, or is the regular Galaxy S25 good enough for you right now? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know if you're planning to upgrade or wait. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest tech news. The future of smartphones is looking more exciting than ever, and you won't want to miss a thing. Samsung is set to make waves in the mid-range smartphone market with the upcoming Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56. These new devices promise to offer a sleek design, impressive performance, and advanced features, all while maintaining an affordable price tag. With a significant upgrade in charging technology, these models are bound to capture the attention of users worldwide. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A36 and A56 is their 45-watt fast charging capability. Both devices will support charging at 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, drastically reducing the time users spend waiting for their phones to charge. This feature is a game changer, allowing users to enjoy their devices more and spend less time tethered to an outlet. The 45-watt charging technology, which has previously been limited to certain markets, is now available globally, bringing fast charging to a wider audience. Design-wise, the Galaxy A36 and A56 share many similarities, both devices featuring a large Super AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The key island design on the right side of both phones adds a unique touch, while the vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear provides a modern and sleek look. The Galaxy A36 does have slightly thicker bezels compared to the A56, but both devices maintain a premium feel in hand, making them visually appealing and comfortable to hold. Both phones will run on the latest Android 15 operating system, paired with Samsung's One User Interface 7. This combination ensures a smooth and user-friendly experience. Samsung is also known for providing long-term software support. And these models will receive up to 6 major Android updates, keeping them current with the latest features and security improvements for years to come. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S36 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, paired with a minimum of 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. This configuration offers smooth performance for everyday tasks, including social media browsing, video streaming, and light gaming. The Galaxy S56 steps up the performance with a more powerful Exynos 1580 processor, which offers enhanced processing power and better graphics performance. Both processors feature octa-core central processing units with 4 high-performance cores for demanding applications and games. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup on both devices. Each phone features a 50-megapixel primary rear camera, allowing users to capture detailed and vibrant photos in a variety of conditions. The 12-megapixel front-facing camera ensures clear, sharp selfies and well-lit video calls. Whether you're snapping pictures of your latest adventures or connecting with friends and family via video chat, the Galaxy S36 and A56 are equipped to deliver high-quality results. Both phones also support a range of connectivity features. The Galaxy S36 and A56 are 5G compatible, providing fast data speeds for streaming, gaming, and browsing. They also include global navigation satellite system support for precise location tracking, Bluetooth 5.3 or 5.4 for seamless connections to wireless accessories, near-field communication for contactless payments, and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. With stereo speakers, these phones deliver impressive audio quality, making them ideal for media consumption. Additionally, the devices come with an IP67 rating, meaning they are resistant to both dust and water, adding to their durability. A large 5,000 mAh battery powers both the Galaxy S36 and A56, ensuring that users can enjoy all-day usage without worrying about running out of charge. The combination of a long-lasting battery and 45-watt fast charging means users can quickly top up their devices when needed, without sacrificing their valuable time. The Galaxy S36 and A56 are strong contenders in a mid-range smartphone market. With their powerful processors, stunning displays, advanced camera systems, and fast charging capabilities, these devices offer a well-rounded package for users who want premium features without the high price tag. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of innovation, making these phones an attractive option for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. If you're looking for a smartphone that combines performance, design, and value, the Galaxy S36 and A56 should be on your radar. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more updates, and we'll catch you in the next video. The wait is almost over, and Samsung is ready to unveil its next big leap in smartphone technology. The upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event promises to introduce a brand new lineup of Galaxy smartphones that are set to redefine what we expect from our mobile devices. Among the exciting releases, we can expect the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, Galaxy S25 Ultra, and possibly the Galaxy S25 Slim, each designed to elevate your mobile experience to new heights. Leaks and rumors have already started circulating, teasing us with glimpses of these upcoming devices' sleek designs and cutting-edge features. From enhanced displays to powerful processors, these phones are shaping up to be some of the most impressive devices Samsung has ever produced. But what's particularly exciting is the potential for significant improvements in the realm of smartphone photography and videography, especially with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Word from a reliable source suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will offer game-changing video quality,